Okay. Well, that was fun. We got about 20 minutes of runtime there before I tried to run it faster than the adjustment on the carburetor will let it. Couple other issues. The gearbox likes to pop out of first when I speed it up, and after a little bit of running, so we'll have to see whether anything can be done about that. Might open the gearbox just for fun to see what's in there. It is nice and warm, so the water cooling is absolutely necessary, but that's not a surprise. I'll have to see what kind of oil level is in it, or try to figure out how to check the oil level. It has put oil all over the chassis there, so I don't know if I overfilled it or if it just is very good at spraying oil around. But it ran nicely. Has the same issue that all of these do with the carburetors, just being, you know, it's a single needle carburetor, and they're the tolerances that you can afford at this price point are not super high. So like I said earlier, I'm going to put a fine adjustment arm on there to make it easier to turn the knob to get finer adjustment. And this linkage here, right now when the engine is set to completely stopped, it doesn't have the it doesn't close the arm completely. It doesn't close the carb completely, and when you adjust the throttle to all the way open, it doesn't move the throttle all the way open either. So I'm going to see how it means bending this cast arm here, and I'm going to take a look at that and see if I want to bend it a little bit. There's more adjustment holes here to get further movement out of the arm, so we might try one of those too, and just see if one of the others gives us a better action in there. But overall, super excited. Definitely gonna have to clean it up a bit since it covered itself in stuff and the tires picked up garbage on the ground, but I couldn't be more excited about it, and how well it ran now that the leak problem is fixed. So I'm gonna drain the remaining fuel out of it, and oh, it looks like there's a bubble coming through the line here. Maybe we did run out of fuel. This fuel tank is bigger than the other engines, so I assumed it would run a bit longer than 20 minutes, but I haven't checked the volume on it yet. We could check that and see what kind of fuel usage it has too. So, but otherwise, super excited, and I think that this is a lot of fun, and has been a lot of fun so far.